Make every trip easier with 20 tiny travel essentials you can get on Amazon. From compact organizers and portable tech to clever comfort and convenience tools, these must-have gadgets are perfect for packing light while staying prepared. Ideal for flights, road trips, and adventures anywhere. Each item delivers real value. Stick around till the end. The final picks are next level, game-changing travel must-haves. Number 1. Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. The Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes make packing a breeze for any trip. Their durable, lightweight design helps organize clothing and maximize suitcase space by compressing items efficiently. Multiple sizes allow separation of shirts, pants, and accessories, keeping your luggage tidy. Breathable mesh panels let you see contents at a glance, while sturdy zippers ensure long-lasting use, perfect for frequent travelers or weekend getaways. These cubes simplify packing, reduce wrinkles, and make unpacking stress-free. They're a must-have accessory for anyone looking to travel smart and organized. Number 2. Toiletries 18-pack Travel Bottles. This 18-pack of travel bottles is perfect for carrying shampoo, conditioner, lotions, and other liquids without worrying about spills. Each bottle is made from durable, leak-proof materials and features clear labels for easy identification. The compact size meets TSA regulations, making airport security a breeze. Ideal for vacations, business trips, or weekend getaways, these bottles simplify packing and keep your toiletries organized. With a versatile set like this, you can travel light, stay organized, and never stress about liquids spilling in your luggage. Number 3. Anker Laptop Power Bank. The Anker Laptop Power Bank is a high-capacity portable charger that keeps your devices running on the go. Compatible with most laptops, tablets, and smartphones, it delivers fast, reliable power whenever you need it. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily in a backpack or carry-on without adding bulk. Perfect for business trips, flights, or remote work, this power bank ensures you stay productive even when outlets are unavailable. Its safety features protect devices from overcharging or overheating, making it a reliable travel companion for tech-savvy travelers. Number 4. TSA-approved luggage. Locks. TSA-approved luggage locks. TSA-approved luggage locks are essential for secure, hassle-free travel. These durable combination locks protect your suitcase while allowing TSA agents to inspect baggage without damaging your lock. Compact yet strong, they work on most zippers and luggage types. Easy-to-set combinations mean you can avoid keys and still feel confident your belongings are secure. Perfect for business or leisure trips, these locks provide peace of mind while complying with airport security standards. Keep your luggage safe and stress-free with a simple, reliable locking solution. Number 5. REPEL Windproof Travel Umbrella. The REPEL Windproof Travel Umbrella is designed to withstand strong gusts and heavy rain. Its reinforced frame and flexible ribs prevent flipping during storms, while the Teflon-coated canopy dries quickly. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in bags or backpacks, making it perfect for commuting or travel. Automatic open and close functionality adds convenience, letting you stay protected in seconds. Ideal for travelers, students, or professionals, this umbrella combines durability, portability, and reliability for unpredictable weather anywhere you go. Number 6. COIDEA Waterproof Travel Drawstring Shoe Bags. COIDEA waterproof travel drawstring shoe bags help keep shoes separate from clothing and other belongings in your luggage. Made from durable, water-resistant material, they prevent dirt or moisture from transferring. The lightweight design makes them easy to carry or pack, and the drawstring closure ensures a secure fit for sneakers, sandals, or dress shoes. Perfect for business trips, vacations, or gym sessions, these bags maintain organization and cleanliness in your luggage. They're a simple, practical solution for keeping shoes protected on the go. Number 7. LISEN 3-in-1 Fast Travel Charger. The LISEN 3-in-1 Fast Travel Charger is a versatile charging solution for multiple devices. It supports smartphones, tablets, and laptops, providing fast charging with minimal waiting time. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to pack in a carry-on or backpack. Multiple ports allow simultaneous charging, reducing clutter and saving time. Built-in safety features protect devices from overcurrent, overheating, or short circuits. Perfect for travelers, remote workers, or students. This charger ensures you stay powered and connected wherever you go. Number 8. HOTOR Travel Toiletry Bag. The HOTOR Travel Toiletry Bag keeps all your personal items organized in one convenient place. With multiple compartments, it separates toothbrushes, cosmetics, and skincare products to prevent spills or messes. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it protects contents from leaks while traveling. Compact yet spacious, it fits neatly in luggage, backpacks, or carry-ons. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or weekend getaways. This toiletry bag combines convenience, durability, and style, making packing and unpacking easier and stress-free. Number 9. Temdan for Travel Essentials. The Temdan Travel Essentials Organizer is perfect for keeping passports, tickets, money, and gadgets in one place. With multiple pockets and compartments, it makes traveling more convenient while reducing the risk of losing important items. Lightweight and durable, it fits easily in carry-ons, backpacks, or handbags. Ideal for business trips or vacations, this organizer helps streamline travel and ensures everything you need is within reach. Staying organized while on the go has never been easier with this handy accessory. Number 10. INIU Portable Charger. The INIU Portable Charger provides fast, reliable power for smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices while on the move. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into pockets or backpacks, making it ideal for travel or commuting. High-speed charging ensures devices are ready when you need them most. Built-in safety protections prevent overcharging and overheating, keeping both devices and users safe. Perfect for travelers, students, or professionals, this portable charger is a dependable companion for maintaining power on the go. Number 11. LOVEVOOK 40L Travel Backpack. The LOVEVOOK 40L Travel Backpack is perfect for weekend trips, flights, or daily commuting. Its spacious compartments fit clothing, gadgets, and accessories while keeping everything organized. Comfortable padded straps and breathable back support reduce fatigue during long wear. Multiple pockets provide easy access to essentials like passports, chargers, or water bottles. Durable materials and zippers ensure long-lasting use, making this backpack a reliable companion for travelers, students, or professionals on the go. Number 12. LISEN Phone Holder. The LISEN Phone Holder is a versatile accessory for car rides, desks, or bedside use. Its adjustable mount fits most smartphones, keeping devices secure and easily viewable. Flexible positioning allows for optimal angles for navigation, video calls, or streaming. Easy installation and stable design ensure devices stay put without wobbling. Ideal for travelers, remote workers, or students, this phone holder improves convenience and safety while keeping your phone accessible whenever you need it. Number 13. JISULIFE Portable Handheld Fan. The JISULIFE Portable Handheld Fan is compact yet powerful, providing cool airflow wherever you go. Rechargeable and lightweight, it's ideal for travel, outdoor events, or desk use. Multiple speed settings let you customize the breeze for maximum comfort. Quiet operation ensures it won't disturb work or rest. With a portable design and convenient charging, this fan keeps you cool and refreshed during summer trips, commutes, or outdoor activities. Number 14. Anker MagSafe Compatible MagGo. The Anker MagSafe Compatible MagGo is a magnetic wireless charger that offers fast, convenient charging for iPhones and compatible devices. Its sleek design sticks securely to your phone, providing a stable charging experience without cables. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for travel or desk use. Safety features prevent overheating and overcharging, protecting your device. This charger is ideal for tech-savvy travelers or anyone who wants a simple, efficient way to power devices on the go. Number 15. LUGGEX Check Suitcase. The LUGGEX Check Suitcase is designed for durability, style, and convenience. Its spacious interior fits clothing, shoes, and accessories for long trips, while organizational compartments keep items neatly separated. Smooth rolling wheels and a telescopic handle make navigating airports or streets effortless. Made from strong materials, this suitcase withstands travel stress without compromising style. Perfect for frequent flyers or vacationers, it offers reliable performance and a sleek, modern look. Number 16. BAGSMART TSA-approved toiletry bag. The BAGSMART TSA-approved toiletry bag keeps liquids, cosmetics, and personal care items organized and compliant with airport security regulations. Multiple compartments and transparent pockets make packing simple while preventing spills. Durable, water-resistant materials ensure long-lasting use, and compact design fits easily in carry-ons. Ideal for business travel, vacations, or weekend trips, this bag provides convenience, protection, and organization for all your essentials while flying. Number 17. LISAPACK 80ml Atomizer Perfume. The LISAPACK 80ml Atomizer Perfume bottle is perfect for carrying fragrances during travel. Its small size fits easily in handbags, backpacks, or carry-ons, and the spray mechanism ensures precise, mess-free application. Durable and refillable, it's environmentally friendly and convenient for frequent travelers, ideal for business trips, vacations, or daily commuting. This atomizer lets you enjoy your favorite scents on the go without bulk or spillage. Number 18. BUYUE Travel Neck Pillows. The BUYUE Travel Neck Pillow is designed for comfort and support during flights, road trips, or commuting. Its ergonomic U-shape cradles the neck, reducing strain and stiffness. Soft plush fabric enhances comfort, while a compact design allows easy storage in carry-ons or backpacks. Perfect for travelers seeking restful sleep or relaxation on the go, this pillow improves comfort during long journeys and helps arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. Number 19. SWEETFULL Portable Handheld Handheld Mini Fan. The SWE ETEF Portable Handheld Mini Fan delivers convenient cooling wherever you need it. Lightweight and compact, it fits in purses, backpacks, or hands for instant relief. Rechargeable via USB, it offers multiple speed settings to suit personal comfort. Quiet operation makes it ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or desk use. This mini fan is perfect for anyone looking to stay cool and comfortable on the go without carrying bulky equipment. Number 20. SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage. The SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage. The SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage offers ample space for longer trips with its expandable compartments. Its durable fabric resists wear while protecting belongings, and smooth rolling wheels make transportation effortless. Multiple pockets help organize clothing, accessories, and travel essentials. Sleek, modern design complements any travel style. Ideal for frequent travelers, this luggage combines practicality, durability, and style to make packing, travel, and storage efficient and stress-free. That's a wrap on our 20 tiny travel essentials you can get on Amazon. Each item is designed to make your trips easier, more organized, and stress-free. From compact chargers to portable organizers, these picks are perfect for every traveler. Grab your favorites and travel smarter today.